guys, thank you so much for dropping by my channel, and today I'm going to do a mukbang for you guys. We're having Long John Silver today with a sweet and tangy sauce. And some mashed potato and gravy. I used a coupon that I got in the mail. And then I already did an Aldi haul. And also did a Kroger haul, but I didn't take any pictures. But I'm going to show you guys today what all I picked up at Aldi's. I picked up some crackers, some sea salt crackers. Because we only have a few left. Some of this, crackers. Also got some house blend coffee. I picked up 3 kinds. And this one, another dark roast coffee. And then I got this one again. So I got 2 of those. And then I picked up another saltine cracker. This one. And a coconut drink. I know I told you guys I don't get to show you guys all of my hauls because most of them, they're the same stuff I usually get. But today, I don't usually pick this one up. And I don't pick up this is the first time I got this one, I think. I don't know. I think it was the first one. And then they had other new stuff in there on the home goods aisle. Like they have new housewares, candles, stationery. They had all kinds of cool stuff, but I'll go back next time. And then I'm going to eat before I go in today, because I had to go run my errands, and then I just got hungry while I'm out. You guys know I'm out and about on the daily, so I just go ahead and visit the store or whatever we're missing that we could use. A couple of that, a couple of this, and then that's what I do. Here you go. And then I also stopped by the thrift store, but you guys know how that goes. If I don't really find anything interesting there. I don't make a video. And then I also picked up a few items from Save A Lot. And the mini mall. You guys click on my Tumblr, on my Google Plus. I still use my Google Plus. because sometimes I don't have time to make a video because, you know, it's not a whole ton. It's just a couple of items here and there. So yeah, I just take a picture of it and then that's basically it. And then I also picked up a few items from Walmart. And a few online things. That you could only get online. But sometimes when you go to the mall, or the store, you still have to turn around and order it online because they don't have the item or the size you're looking for. So you still have to go online and order it. So you're better off just ordering them online if you think that they'll not be able to have it on stock. So yeah, here's some more chicken, you guys. Ooh. Yeah, it just snowed again. And then it looks like it's gonna hang out for a little bit. But then it's supposed to be springtime next weekend. Or, you know, next couple of weeks. Well, I don't know if this snow is going to last. Mashed potato. I like those little crunchies. I'm also doing some spring washing, spring cleaning, decluttering when it gets warm. I just cleaned out the car too. I'll probably do the van next time when it gets warmer, but it's starting to get cold again, so. Well, at least I was able to clean up the car. So to vacuum the inside, get all that snow and stuff out of it. But yeah. You know, I wash my hands all the time, you guys. I just don't show you. But I do have a lot of stuff, you know, water. You guys know. I even have other stuff in the car that I leave in here for emergency. But yeah, that is it, you guys. That's all I have for you guys for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and check out your local stores and your local restaurants if you guys have any coupons. You know, treat yourself and grab you a bite to eat somewhere. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye!